Okay, I'm just working this exhaust port, going along with it. I've got the basic rough end shape of it. Let me see if I can show you that. Got it pretty roughed out right now. I have to switch over to a sanding drum now, start sanding on it. But that's about it. We'll switch over to sanding drum and get to working on it more. I've already started cutting the guide off. I've already cut almost only about 175, 150 thousandths off the guide. I'll do the rest of that with the sanding drum to get it down where I want it once I get